Hey, Remarkable Lifers. Today we're in Coyoacán.
Coyoacán.
Coyoacán. I'm still learning.
Coyoacán.
But isn't it unique?
A lot of little towns like this are just so quaint, and they have their little centros, and they really do it up. And on Saturdays and Sundays especially, and if it's a tourist area, there's lots of places to, you know, get you some churros and elotes and different kinds of food and tacos, and just enjoy the day. And there's lots of places to sit, and it's a beautiful place. And I want one of these buses. Coyoacán is named after the coyote. So there apparently were a lot of coyotes in this area, the animal. You can see there's a big beautiful sign. There is folks enjoying the plaza. A big church. We were joking, we said it is almost like we were expecting people to break out into song here and do a little dance. It's very Brigadoon. Coyoacán. So an interesting thing is, so I have a friend that I have been pen pals with since I was in high school, and we keep in touch now through social media, and she now lives in Europe and is originally from Mexico City and spent a lot of time here in Coyoacán, and this is one of the areas that she recommended that we stop at. Say hello to her little neighborhood, she said, and I want to say thank you. You know who you are. What a beautiful place, and I feel privileged to walk the streets that you've walked. And even though we can't get together, trying not to get hit by a car, by the way, even though we can't get together and tour together just yet, I get to walk along the same streets. So it's very special. It's a nice place to be. It's beautiful and makes for a really lovely afternoon. So, hi, you know who you are. Miss you. KJ says hi. So Coyoacán is named after coyotes. So we are going a little off the beaten path to get tacos. Shirts. Got some fun shirts. You'll see them on video someday.
I got a dress shirt. Surprising.
Yeah, he got a very nice shirt. I got a couple of
Did you tell them where we
slogan
are?
t-shirts. Yes, we are. Oh no, sorry. You don't even know where we're at. We just dropped back in on the video and you have no idea where we're at. We are at the Artisan Market here in Coyoacán, just outside of Mexico City, suburb of Mexico City. And we walked around. We'll show you the park if we haven't already. Beautiful town center. And we were looking for a few little tchotchkes, something to take home with us. We like to do shirts because it's not wasteful. We use them.
It's not going to sit around and collect dust.
Right. Yeah, we're not big on dust collectors. So I need to find a new hat. Although this hat is kind of becoming a signature piece.
Signature piece.
But it's starting to get a little worn. So, but anyway, we just wanted to show you where we're at, and I'll show you some scenes of that. So, till later. Bye.